So guys, I'm here again with the next video, trying to make it easy for you do it yourself. I'm doing cam sensors on this V6 Nissan Frontier. You want to have something to catch that side of the hood, because the hood prop is right here on this side, and to get to these the easy way, especially the one that's over on this side, you want to do it from right here. I can't really see it, so you're gonna feel it. Well, I don't know if you can see this gray clip right here. It's really a pain. You can see, I don't know if you can see my finger and the screw, and that's right where it's at. If you do it from the other side, it's gonna be a lot harder. So do it from this side, it's gonna be much easier. Let me try to get this screw loose. And one of the hardest part that I find with this to do it was always to get the connector plug off of the sensor itself. It was always a pain to get that done. Because you have to kind of hold it and pull it up, the clip part, pull it up and then squeeze it in to get it out. So you see, I get that screw out. The next sensor is located right here. This green part of the clip right here, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. The green part, you want to pull this up. You want to press it down, and that's how you plug it up. So you want to press it down really hard, see? So you press this all the way down, and you see how far I got to press down, and then it slide out. That's the same thing you want to do with that one, but because where this one sit at over here, there's not too much space to press it down and pull on it to get it out. But I'm gonna try, since I have you guys right here with me right now. Let me try and see if I can do it. I'm gonna press down as hard as I can. It's hurting my finger because my finger is not that strong. Let me try again. I'm using a different finger, but my strongest finger is gonna be my, yeah, but I can't get it out, guys. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to take the sensor out. I take the sensor out. I don't know if you guys can see, but this with the harness in the way, I know you guys can't see. I'm sorry guys, but I'm taking out the sensor right now. Because of the connector is on it still, it's really hard to get out because there's not too much space. And if I had the sensor, the connector off, then it will be easier. Okay guys, as you can see right here, so this is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see the sensor right here? I have to push down on this really hard, and then I can pull out the sensor. But think about it, I'm pushing down on it, and it's really hard, guys. It's locked, so it should be able to come out. No, it's not. Oh my god, this is super difficult. Let me try again. Alright, I think I'm there. No, I'm not. Try again. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, I got it out, guys. Oh my god, this was super tight to press on it. That was the hardest. These are the new sensors. Let me see which one of them this one is. This is not for this one, is for bank 2. And I think this one is for bank 1. Yeah, this is bank 1. So let me get it. And once you put the sensor back in, you put the clip right on it, and the clip does lock itself, so you don't have to fight with it. So we're going to install the sensor now. Alright, so let's go back over here, and we're going to install the sensor. And once we install the sensor, then we should be able to put the clip on very easily. So because the clip is not on the connector is not on the sensor, it's easier for me to get the sensor inside. Like, it's really easy, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, like very easy. But first I need to find the right place for this. I'm not sure if I have it in the right place because I can't find where you bolt it in. I think I'm losing my mind right now, guys. I think I'm losing my mind. I can't find the right. Oh no, I don't have it in the right place. I don't. I should. I don't think I do. Yeah, I think I do, but I can't figure out where. Oh yeah, I found it. Oh my God, I found it, guys. I found it. So let me get the screw, and I'm going to put the sensor in. Well, the sensor is in, so I just gotta turn the screw till it get into the lock into the right place. And there it is. The screw is in the right place, guys. I got it there now. Guys, we're back at it again. I'm trying to get this screw to tighten, but for some reason it seems like I don't have the screw in straight, so I'm trying to because you don't want to cross thread this, guys. You don't want to do that, because that would be a nightmare. You probably would have to take the motor out. Oh sweet, I got it in right now. Perfect, guys, I got it. Oh my god, this is so awesome, guys. But this is how I fight every day to do my job. But you know what, when you work this hard and when you love your job though, it don't seem hard, it just seems a lot fun. But hey, this one is I think this is, why am I still turning? What am I missing here? Okay, I think I'm good now. Yes, I don't think so. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Let me go look at the next sensor and see if it kind of feels bad on the next side, but let me go check. Yes, I think it's good. So I'm gonna plug the clip back on now. Let me try and plug this thing back on, see how hard it's gonna be, since I'm gonna have a fight to get it lined up there, but I can't hardly see what I'm doing over here. All right, so there we have it right there. So let's try to get this on here. Wow, I can't get it, guys. I can't get it. Okay, I think I may just finally are getting somewhere right now. Nope, because I have it turned the wrong way. I'm so not paying attention right now. Let me start paying attention. Okay, so I got it now. No, I don't got it still. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? No, there's not even possible. Wow, no. Bumbleclot. Bumbleclot. After fighting for how long, I finally got it on. And now I'm gonna do the next one. Did that this wrong way. I can. And it's out, so let's take this out. There it is, it's out. I gotta put this in back fast because my battery's about to die. And get this right here and put this back in. Right here. And there it is.